the Sunday morning. I want to come and read for you about the once Bible and the um, Jeremiah chapter 11, 1 to 17. Teninyai hello you double the talk a little. Teninyai opening or call, yero hepat kulisosi, tabakado. We're me a standard sitter, a supporter, delude sinwinilo. Okay, ye erole papa paid say. Okay, I had to go through and read for you. This is the word that's come to Jeremiah from the Lord. Yoaglutala abasormia dosueda. Listen to the turn of these covenants and tell them to the people of Jerusalem and to those who live in Jerusalem. Away Pethinya la Kanata Olo I Akalu, do Katuta do Juda Pacanyo, do Pajuruslepo do Sibao. Pajuruslepo. Tell them that this is what the Lord, the God of Israel says, cursed is the man who does not obey the term of this covenant. Okay, pain it, Jeveramnutimile. Just Seba, you are Israel Akasa city. Pala at the Dukanaba ta olo I aglula, Yamalo tu pani, mo abasu adiki, la mutinila. Lamutnila yadu hetakwe la kabutu apu la pak kaputa apu David dinamana. Pairo pek ero le kwa sikola ta amu uke tirpa ta hutage tirpa punilo. No ilwini teva palo munitimile. The turns I command your first father once I brought them out of Egypt, out of the iron smelting. Furnace, I said, obey me and do everything I command you, and you will be my people, and I will be your God. Away ni tewera lomnitimile. Yes, dugana yaglu do mathuwe di kayeta la yamalu tu kaketo yapagamu do yakaketo tu kasalo. Number 5 ne teva palo mnitimile. Pay number 5 then I will fulfill the out I swore to your first father to give them a land flowing with milk and honey, the lands that you possess today. Hi, Nigeman. Question. Okay, what do you want to question? Jetu Yakama Tala Yasuta, do Tupala Yakahilo, Loka to Billa Jerus Village Ajuawe do Tanuti do Caneso, Dilo Mumasatani Athonilo, do Yasi Seta dosi Ame Yua Payro Bethina le Tevemunitimile. I answer, Amen, Lord. Debra Jesus, Amen, you are. Nemesis talk about the Lord said to me, proclaims all those of these words in the town of Judah and in the trees of Jerusalem. Listen to the turn of these covenants and follow them. Pay the do you are Sebaya, Kotota, Katukele, Le Judah, away the papu, do Jerusalem, a clapu, do seta olo agalu canado ma otaki. Listen and do it. Orchids, highs, orchid. Then you what's up? Yo. All right. Penny pekele kwa tamata lo no hune debra no. 7 is talk about from the time I brought you for father up from Egypt. I'm time today. I warned them again and again, saying, obey me. Yes, I know there, Myanmar. Pero tevera manitime agiri ye uyatha the potter tupala mutani le mutani le yedi hato or le ko akabutu a parla mum satani e ye geseto gogodo uyathado si kana ye gludiki. Tevera uta paini kolwakora again and again. Pagdera the blow the blow by the blow mono, teve dinamono. No pain a pecle qualo no honey, teba palo minutimile. Number 8 talk about but they did not listen or pay attention instead. They followed the stubbornness of their evil hearts. So I brought on them all the curse of the covenants I have commanded them to follow, but that they did not keep. Away ne pakitete mala away the pane. My friends, I answer you ready. I know the Burmese, Myanmar. I know the Myanmar. Here is Paini Devara Dile. Kana Yagaludiki, Basa dot Kanaba, weba dot Dukana ba. Do le twewe tega atha anaki akisusulo. Mother dinido yedu heba ola ta olo aglu. Kele le jamalo le abama mimi tamaba weba. Everything the God command and they don't listen, they don't pay attention. This is the meaning about that. 9 talk about, then the Lord said to me, there is a conspiracy among the people of Judah and those who live in Jerusalem. No pain it tevera sikolo minitimile, queen you are sebaya, ta olo, ta ulo, uwele. Yuda pakanyodo pajil slipo claro. Sorry, my friends, no. No payro paklele mala to sine teba palo minitimile. 10. Pain 10 they has returned to the sins of their forefather who refused to listen to my words. They have followed other gods to serve them. Both the house of Israel and the house of Judah has broken the covenants I made with their forefather. Away ne me kasayo mawara covenant sidan metalo manitimile. Pay ne pekle kwalo no it sine tevadare. Kiraki Wesu apala akwati atakama le ata dukanaba ye takatuba do po kasa agar pa ki ditu akama atalo. Israela apahipo do Yuda apahipo mahago lita olo lo ye olo do apali. The broken covenant. Let them look at pakro patu pathala patamupo. Sikolo patapitama. Sikolo. 11 talk about here. Therefore, this is what the Lord say: I will bring on them a disaster that cannot escape. Although they cry out to me, I will not listen to them. Lucky kiro patibalo paini lokatutalo manutimile. Pero Pekele qua the sitter and table mother dinero your city quaqua yigadu ba on leta le apu le apu plewe te thiba do me ku toya basa do yitekanaba agluba. Here is the most carefully about them. Although they cry out to me, I will not listen to them. This is a very painful to us. Because we don't listen to God, we don't obey the God command, and then later then when we cry and call off to him, he don't listen to us. The God listen to us. After that, here is I want to read for you twice here. The town of Judah and the people of Jerusalem, we go and cry out to the gods to whom they burn incense, but they will not have them at all when disaster strikes. This is meaning about I'm reading Bible here is now making your travel. Twice talk about here. The security do Judah away the part of by Jerusalem po kale ko to su akasada pala asuke tanamula agolo. Basado le ata akatoni te uki koki ba oba. Away ni mita le pakitete difference and between. You know, you pray to God and the this God is dying, not live forever. This meaning about the whatever you offering and you call never help you. Here is another one is Pedro Agarkane Pokleta 13. You have as many gods as you have towns. O Judas, and the altars you hast set up to burn incense to the sinful gods, but are as many as the street of Jerusalem. I don't talk about any other gods in the world. Here is the Bible talk about the Baal. In the Jerusalem difference a lot of gods. You know that we have a lot of gods, but one God in the Israel people is Israel people take the God is forever living. Pero pagkatiti malata sita ni teba agidi I nakasada pa uwe pueto tudo na wita pa Judah do tuma totalu alo tamesha alo pueto tudo Jerusalem ekleda pa talu alo ditu tu kasuke tanamula bala agolo away ne me kasada pa agolo patamu pulo batana kiro pamatagi weine me tala pakrapa tu patala mum sataniano kasade da pa tu maro me masa tu ro me tala agilo kasade da pa me tu pagitana mabuto bato or me masa tu baro me tala oro. Do not praise for these people, nor offers any pleas or petition for them. Because I will not listen then, they call to me, it's the time of their distress. Away ne pakitete mala yedek dukana oba, couple minute mile, pakitete malata mata tirpa. Pay ne to silu ne tevra, mother denero, batika pa. Don't pray for these people. This is a very bad thing. Don't praise for these people. The batikba ne de aware goba. Dot to don naglu leta hikanya don leta tikapa ni agwadigi. This is the God self to Jeremiah. Agidi akato le akotoya le abataku. Tago akudo yetekanaba agluba. You know that in the heaven I will not listen when they call to me in the time of their distress. Away name me taku tago to me lepatamupulo. 15 talk about shears a little bit. What is my beloved doing in my temple? as she was of her evil scam with money, can consecrated meat advance your punishment. Once you engage in your weakness, then you reject. Away ni mita de misi kola pakro patu patala betamu pulut. The sea ne teba pola tamune dimile. Pola o kamata la hipu ba manile me amma kamata do po agalo dota nya sosi lepukwe lilo na oli du namata odo na tupita nyolo. Away ni mita le patamu pulo. Weaken, then you rejoice. When you packet to that dinner, 16 talk about the Lord calls you as thriving olive tree with the fruits that beautiful in front, but with the royal of as mighty storm. He will send it on fire, and its branch will be broken. Away ne pakro patu patala batamu pulo to siku ne tewada dile. Yoako na milo tisaye tikase aki alado atata gilo. Suke tomi ulo apoko uro ta atopado do adika lowelo. Away ne mitata misikolo. Tasinu ne tewada lo manutimile. Tasinu ne tewada 17. The Lord Almighty who planted you has decreed disaster for you because the house of Israel and the house of Judah has done evils and provoked me to anger by burning increase to bar. This is a pass away, and I think about that. 4,000 years ago, maybe, and 6,000 years ago, you know what happening coming to the Israel people? They don't, they don't obey God. They don't listen to God. That the God broken covenant with them. Later then they call out. They never get something. When they pakro patu patala batamu pulo pasukamo paleta tisikolo. Bamro kole ni koplo lopama kamada ro but dugana pakasaklu bani. When they meet at the miller, kasayo madani lo. Mumsat in the yai bapalo patala papagalu theatre park, walking your theatre part tapita matir palo. Demi to me or think about a thing you are thick salad to town of boot later. These you are clever caponiki, do mock sayo sugar do mock sayo later to nirki, tablet mo. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. I tell you, just not broken the covenants that God given to you and listen and obey, follow it. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye bye. I will see you next time.